Well, hey guys, some of you have seen me go down this road before, but this is a nice, good, fun one that we had with the group at Loose Nut 2021. Just kind of wanted to throw it up here. This is one of the optional sections that's available. A lot of people saw my last video, and I didn't put in any of the optional just because I wanted people to realize that it's nice, fun, safe ride to do. But hey, if you want to get into a little bit of some water and a little bit of some wet rock, this is a great place to do it. I stayed left at the North Valley. Yeah, they haven't even done it yet. You could have to bash their plates.
This is basically line I did. Well,
Yeah.
it looks like everybody else's.
Yeah. No, it's not bad. It's just this little section here where he's at. I don't know if your bikes can go through that narrow. So this one would be a little slicker. You'll want to come and take a look at it. Sorry, buddy. Sorry about that. Now, I've been down this road twice, and I have to tell you, both times I really, really like this section here. It doesn't look like anything, but it's got a wonderful blend of hard rock, mud, leaves, ruts. It's just beautiful, to be quite honest. It's not technically challenging. It's just a beautiful downhill. We good? Cool. Well, everyone, thanks for watching again. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. If not, I'll see you on the flip side.